I've seen my fair share of condo renovations, and to be honest, they are often transformed into modern white boxes. Now in this series, I want to show you an example of an outstanding space that has been transformed and turned into a functional, elegant home, perfect for a family. Look at this terrace. Now for downtown Toronto, this is a gem. Now when the Bespoke Group bought the unit, it had never been touched, had never been renovated. It had the curly brick pavers and just a whole bunch of planters. But they saw an opportunity to add some privacy, hide some of the brick, add some design elements, and it all began with the stone pavers. This was a huge facelift for the space, modernized it, cleaned it up, and then they wanted to tackle the brick. Now because this is a condo, there are a lot of rules. One of those rules is to not attach anything to the existing brick, but they had a great idea. Their solution was to add these metal screens, which have a really cool chevron design element to them, and they just sit on the ground on some concrete blocks. So they're not going anywhere. No wind, no hurricane's gonna take them away. And now they have this super cool backdrop and really ties in the whole modern aesthetic on their terrace. To make this an entertainer's dream, the Bespoke Group added an outdoor kitchen. Condo rules state that you should not have any permanent modifications to your terrace. So this outdoor kitchen was designed with that rule in mind. It comes in various parts. All of these structures separate. Even the countertop has a seam, so it can just be popped off and taken away. And speaking of countertops, they even thought to add the backsplash so your fruit doesn't go tumbling to the back of the barbecue. Oh, is that for porchetta? My corn on the cob, rotating. Chicken wings, dang, I mean, come on. Now, just like indoors, this terrace was designed with zones. There's a nice cozy covered area where you can have cocktails. There is a dining room where you can have dinner parties, and then a lounging area where you can enjoy some sun. This terrace was the perfect complement to an incredible condo makeover. Now, if you have an older unit, just think about the potential. Just mind your bulkheads.